Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to Othello Regional Park, the home of your Brunswick Railroaders semi-pro football team. The Brunswick Railroaders semi-pro football team would like to thank all of the many fans in attendance tonight on this crisp football evening to celebrate the opening of Brunswick's Othello Park. We would also like to thank the volunteers of Brunswick Semi-Pro who makes these evenings possible, from the chain gang to the gate workers to the media personnel. Finally, we'd like to thank the Richmond Jets, welcoming them here for making a long drive from Richmond, Virginia to Brunswick, Maryland to open up our new home field. We have a number of special guests here tonight who we would like to acknowledge. First of all, on the field is the newest and youngest mayor of Brunswick, Maryland, the Honorable Mr. Nathan Brown. Mayor Brown is a 2006 Brunswick High School graduate and is also a federal government lead worker for NIH. It is an honor to have Mayor Brown in attendance tonight to open up the whole park. Thank you, Mayor Brown. Mayor Brown has also brought with him members of Brunswick City Council. Ms. Angel White has been part of the Brunswick City Council for 10 years. She also works as an administrator for a nonprofit and serves with the Brunswick Volunteer Ambulance and Rescue Company. Ms. White is also in leadership with the. Thank you, Ms. White, for all your efforts in Brunswick. Vaughn Ripley is on the council and has served over 4 years. He is also a database administrator for the federal government. Mr. Ripley is also a published author and inspirational speaker. Finally tonight, we have a Maryland State Representative here, the Honorable Senator Michael Huff is your local state senator. He represents Frederick and Carroll counties and lives right here in Brunswick. Thank you, Mr. Huff, for your service. Folks, let's have a round of applause for these terrific public leaders who all represent our great city of Brunswick and our beautiful state of Maryland. Also in attendance tonight is the Brunswick Railroaders semi-pro sponsor. This team and this season would not have been possible without the contribution of T&T Services Group and Best Tile of Frederick, Maryland. Please visit the team's website to learn more about each company and the excellent services they provide. Tonight, we are presenting Kate's 2020 jerseys to each of these great sponsors. Accepting on behalf of T&T Services Group in Brunswick is Brunswick's very own Mr. Mark Carlton. Accepting for Best Tiles on the Brunswick Semi-Pro running backs and the warehouse manager is Best Tile, Mr. Tony Craven. Let's have a round of applause for these two great companies. Finally, tonight's game is brought to you by Jay's People to honor the late Jay Caniford and the spirit of local giving to support those in need. Here tonight to represent Jay's People are Mr. Jeff Jones, Mr. Troy Remsburg, and Brunswick's right tackle, Mr. Jim Stewart. Thank you for making tonight's team possible. More information on Jay's People can be found on the team's website. For the first home semi-pro football game ever at Brunswick Othello Park, Jeff Jones, who is a Brunswick High 1985 quarterback, will throw out the ceremonial first pass. Incidentally, Jeff was on the very first Brunswick High School football team to qualify for the MPSSAA state playoff. You're up, Jeff. Let's open this great park up and play some football.
Folks, like so much, we'll do it all over again. Here we go. Once again, welcome to Othello Regional Park, the home of the old At this time, we go over the semi-pro football team. All of them, one thing I can tell you tonight on this crisp football evening to celebrate the opening of Brunswick's Othello Park.
I haven't turned the volume up.
We would also like to invite you. How's that? How's that? You good?
Better.
Let's go. We would like to thank the volunteers of the Brunswick football team from the team and the youth workers to the media personnel. Finally, we would like to thank the Richmond Jets for making a long drive from Richmond, Virginia to Brunswick, Maryland to open up our youth team. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a number of special guests tonight who we would like to acknowledge. On the field is the newest and second youngest mayor of Brunswick, Maryland, the Honorable Mr. Nathan Brown. Mayor Brown is a 2006 Brunswick High School graduate and is also a federal government senior worker. Works for It is an honor to have Mayor Brown in attendance to open up Player Park. Thank you, Mayor Brown. Now, Mayor Brown has also brought with him members of the Brunswick City Council. First, Ms. Angel White has been a part of the Brunswick City Council for 10 years. She also works as an administrator for a non-profit organization and serves with the Brunswick Volunteer Ambulance and the Rescue Company. Ms. White is also in leadership with the Brunswick Food Bank. Thank you, Ms. White, for all you do in your efforts for Brunswick. Next, we have Mr. Vaughn Ripley. He is in his second term on the council and has served over 4 years. He is also a database administrator for the federal government. Mr. Ripley is also a published author and inspirational speaker. Finally, tonight we have the Maryland State Representative here. Senator Michael Huff is your local state senator. And he represents Frederick and Carroll County and lives right here in Brunswick. Thank you, Senator Huff, for your service. Let's have a round of applause for these terrific public leaders who represent our great city of Brunswick and the beautiful state of Maryland. Also in attendance tonight is the Brunswick Railroad 7th Pledge sponsor. This season would not have been possible without the contribution of Carrington Services Group and Best Pile of Frederick. Please visit the team's website to learn more about each company and the excellent services they provide. Now tonight we are presenting Case 2020 jerseys to each of these great sponsors. Accepting on behalf of PNP Service Group is Brunswick's very own Mr. Mark Politan. Accepting the Best Pile is one of Brunswick's semi-pro running backs. And the warehouse manager at Best Pile, Mr. Tony Craven. Again, another round of applause for these two great companies. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, Thanksgiving is brought to you by Jay's People. To honor the late great candidate and the spirit of local giving to support those in need. Now here tonight to represent Jay's People, Mr. Jeff Jones, Mr. Troy Rensburg, and Brunswick's right tackle, Mr. Jim Stewart. Thank you for making Thanksgiving possible. More information on Jay's People can be found on the team's website. For the first home football game ever at Brunswick Park, Jeff Jones, who was the quarterback of the 1985 Brunswick High School football team, which was the first Brunswick High School football team to qualify for the MTS Association playoff, will throw out the ceremony on his first pass. Jeff, you're a good passer back then. Let's see you do it now. Let's open up the straight park and play some football. Physical distancing. Also, the school board.
Just adjusting this real quick and seeing what I can do with it. I'm going to just keep it on here. We are live from Brunswick, Maryland for today's game as the Brunswick Railroaders in the white take on the Richmond Jets in the black. Jet black, that is. Today, I predicted to be a dog fight to the very end, and we'll see how the hometown Railroaders do here in their Otello Park debut. As they walk to the center field for the coin toss. both sides meet for the coin toss in the middle of the field. And I try to get adjusted. Forgot my chairs, so it's gonna be a little different standing up here tonight. And Brunswick will take the field first. Kick return for the Railroaders will be coming onto the field. If you are watching, share everywhere. Share to all your groups, share to your pages, share to your relatives' pages. Just share it. Share it, share it, share it. Kickoff coming. And it'll be fielded. Going across down the field and tackled down. I know the start of this game. Going to be a handoff, middle, and nowhere to go. From the pistol this time. Uh-oh, Miller going nowhere. Oh, my. He got ran over by his own guy. Punt coming. And they're going to field it. And nowhere to go. From the pistol. Handoff going to the right side. Nowhere to go. Tackled down by Beachley. Takes a snap. And fire it up. Incomplete. Punt coming. And not a good one. See where it lands. It's going to take a Brunswick bounce. And oh, did they touch that? Was that touched by a Brunswick player? No, they're saying it was downed. Give me a bit of a lob, a snap. And it's going to roll down and fielded by the Railroaders and tackled down. And this Jets defense is coming out fast and furious in general. Here comes the Brunswick offense from the gun. Snap, Miller. Going to his right. Throws back, complete. Miller takes the snap. Onto his right. Gonna throw it up. Caught! First down, Railroaders! And plays like him too. Handoff. Tyler, left side. Going down the field and taken down. Miller tried to draw him off sides. He will. There's going to be actually encroachment. It's going to be encroachment as the pass is incomplete. Handoff Jeffries. Cut down. Nowhere to go. Miller takes the snap. Stepping up. Gonna run it to himself. Ricky Miller taken down. Miller takes the snap. Gonna throw, incomplete. Third down for Brunswick. Miller takes the snap. Gonna throw out of the backfield, complete. And taken down. May have drawn him offside. Yes, he did. Going to throw it deep. Intercepted. It's 2-on-1. But either way, it'll come back due to the offsides penalty. Snap Miller. Stepping up, flag is out. Looks like it at least. Fumbled the ball. And either way, it should be Jets' ball. Rolling out to the right side. And out of bounds he goes. Sweep to the right side. And taken down. Handoff going to the middle. Cutting down that left side. Plenty of room to run. And in. See where they mark him at. It will come back. So right about the 25-yard line. It'll be a first down either way for the Jets. Takes the snap. Sacked. They got him. From the pistol. With a man in motion. Handoff going to that right side. Taken down. Oh, he just bulldozed them. That's going to be encroachment or some kind of penalty. Let's see what they call. Bull rushed right through that line. It's going to be against Brunswick. Takes a snap, going to his right. Fires it up. It's a prayer, and it's going to be intercepted. And truthfully, he was better off batting that down. 4 receivers on one side, 1 on the left. Miller is running himself to that left side. And run, Ricky, run. Man in motion. It's little. It's going to be a penalty flag. Miller's going to throw it up. Incomplete. To his old pal, Gary. Miller going to pitch to the right side. Jeffrey's going downhill. Can he get upfield? Oh. Miller takes a snap. Going to his right. Off Swagger's hands. Incomplete. It hit Brian right in the hands. Nice snap. Want to boot it. And bobbled. And down he goes. In motion. Handoff. Oh, he got away. Got the first, still going. And out of bounds he goes. Handoff going downhill to that left side. And, oh, they clocked him in the corner. And that's going to be a penalty. Takes a snap. Going to fire it up. Incomplete. Pitch to the right side. Cutting in. And, oh, he's hit hard. Snap. Sack. Did he lose the ball? May have. See what the referee says. Looks like the Jets have it. Oh, it's a fake. I guess. Maybe not. Oh, no. Why would you do that? He's trying to pitch it back to the punter. And that's going to be a major loss. What on earth was that? Hand off to Hernandez on that left side. Nowhere to go for Sente. He lost the ball, but it's rolled down. Michael in motion. Gonna run himself at the middle, Ricky Miller, and a nice game for Ricky. We'll see another offsides. Ricky's gonna throw it up to Tez. Does he got it? Yes! Caught down at the 1. Miller gone middle. Oh, there's a penalty flag. There is a penalty flag. Preliminary is a touchdown, but there is a penalty flag. And it's against the offense. Handoff going inside. Still going. Can he power his way through? Short of the end zone. Snap Miller. Goes to that right side. Taken down short of the end zone. Gonna throw it end zone. Incomplete. This one coming up. Ball down, kick up. And it is good. And Brian Swagger scores the first points in Brunswick's home field, and they take a 3-0 lead. Here comes the kickoff. And what a boomer. Coming down the field. And taken down. Handoff going inside and taken down. Man in motion going to the left side. And nowhere to go. Going to the right. Gonna fire left side. Off the hands. Incomplete. And it's going to be a penalty. Punt coming. And it's just going to hit the sideline and go out of bounds at about the 45. Miller. Oh, he just got clocked. Miller takes the snap, fakes. Gonna go turning up to his left. Ricky Miller throws on the run. And out of bounds it goes. Fakes it, gonna pitch to the left side to Tyler, cutting up. And he's taken down. Here comes the kickoff. Swagger to boot it. Immediately it was a penalty. Hi, Maddox. Turn it up the field. Well, we'll see what the flag is in a second, but it looks like for the moment it's a big return for the Jets. And finally taken down. Kickoff coming. And he's going to muff it. Turning up and taken down. Handoff going down to the right side, downhill. It was the back, and he's taken down. Handoff going to the right, and he squirms his way for a few more yards. Takes the snap. QB going to throw! Almost intercepted on that left side, or right side. Punt coming. And it'll be fielded down at about the 23-yard line. Miller takes the snap on the third left side, incomplete. Handoff left side, Jeffries, and tackled down. Come off sides again. This time it's going to be a false start, though, on the Railroaders. Miller going to the right. Going to throw it up to Mitchell, incomplete. Low snap, and he got it off. He's killing at the 45, going up the field now. Oh, he's down. And no middle. Is that a lost ball? And they're saying Jets ball, second down coming up. Snap. Incomplete. Takes the snap. Intercepted on the sideline.
First down!
Fakes the play action, going left and taken down. Miller takes a snap. Trying to fire it to the sideline, complete the Gary. Miller going to the left, and I'll be honest, that's the play call I expected. He ran it earlier. At the road 49. Oh, he drew him off sides again. Number 6. Throws it up. Incomplete. Takes the handoff, going to his left. And taken down. Takes the snap, going to throw it to Jeffries. Incomplete. Osei went forward. Third down. Trying to draw him off again. It's going to be a false start on the Railroaders. Miller takes the snap. Runs it to his own man. Going to throw. Incomplete. And punt it. And it'll roll. Lost the ball in the air! Brunswick recovers it! Miller gonna fire it up. Incomplete. Handoff going to that right. Nowhere to go. And that's been the story this whole game. As the Railroaders are taking on the Jets. Miller takes a snap, going to fire it up to Mitchell, incomplete. But coming is going to go straight up in the air, and it'll make a Brunswick bounce all the way back to about the 17-yard line. Handoff going to that right side. Look at this run. Can he get by the last defender? Oh, there's a penalty coming. We'll see what it is. But a big game for the Jets. And here's the penalty to be on the Railroaders. Man in motion, fakes the handoff. Going the right side option. He's going to pitch it? No, he's going to keep it instead, and he's taken down. Handoff going to the left side. Oh, I meant helmet to helmet. Handoff going to the right, and they swallow him up.
Come on, go get him.
Takes the option, going right, coming back to the left.
Get outside.
And out of bounds he goes. Handoff middle, and gets a small gain. He dropped the ball, but he got it back on the throw to the right side, complete. Going downhill, can he score? Yes, he does! Touchdown, Jets! Handoff going middle, and he'll get it. 8-3. Oh, it's going to be a penalty, offsides against the kicking team. Fields it. Going down to the left side. Now, nice return coming, but a penalty flag, so they'll probably set him back. And he's taken down. Hasn't worked yet. We'll see if it does this time. Miller, wow. He was sacked before he even got struck back. Miller from the gun takes the snap. Stepping up, he's killed. They got him. Miller takes a snap, better watch the blitz. Gonna get it off quick, but it's incomplete. Punt coming. And it'll be down right at about the 39-yard line. Lost the ball, gonna pick it up. Gets it off, open man. Hand off middle and swallowed up, but there is a penalty coming. With 10 minutes to go in the game. Clock stops at 9:56. Handoff going middle, and he barrels his way through. Off to right, gonna pitch it. Going downhill, can he get the first? Yes, turning back up. Going to the middle. Look at these moves. And finally he's taken down, especially in a game where they've been dominated up front. Handoff going to that left side. Turning up, gonna get to the end zone. And he goes out of bounds. Handoff going middle. Can they get in? Shy of the end zone. Second and goal coming up. Going middle. Stop short of the edge. They lost the ball! Who's got it? I think Brunswick got it. Let's see what the pile says. Early indication it's Railroader ball. So they're going to say the Jets recovered it. Going to fake the pitch, going right. Or he did fake. He handed it off. And he goes. No. To the end, yes. Touchdown, Jets. One-on-one, incomplete. Gonna be a roller. Heading up to that left side, going downhill. Look at this return, and out of bounds he goes. Are disorganized right now, and they're going to call a timeout. Matt Miller going to go right side off Mitchell's hands. Incomplete. Is it picked? No, incomplete. Miller's going to throw it up. Off of Lopez's hands, incomplete. Miller going to fire it up. Way short, incomplete. Matt Miller throws to Jeffries on 4th down, and I don't know what he was doing there. Man in motion, and almost hit him. It's going to be a handoff to that receiver on that left side, and he's got nowhere to go. Handoff middle. Are you questioning why a team called the Jets would run a jet sweep? And that's a timeout. An injury timeout, actually, and we're going to look away. And we'll put the camera down as we hit the 2-minute warning. With the score and an injury, Richmond leads 14-3.